Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here you have benzene and you have amide at the side chain. Wherein is benzylated, you are reacting with hydrogen. You have to find what will be the final product. Here first step is the attack of nucleophile. You have addition reaction. The charge has to be quenched. Charge quenches heat on and it opens the ring. Then you have internal nucleophile, which is amine near the carbonyl, and free amine. Free amine attacks because of high electron density, so it attacks ring closed. You have again anion formation. So the anion quenches the carbonyl. You have final product with benzylamine. The concept you have to learn here is Gabriel synthesis. In Gabriel synthesis, you are expanding the ring from 5 member to 6 member. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion, comment below.